Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could literally get paid just to talk online? Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online. And let me know in the comments where you're tuning in from. I'd love to tailor future videos for your country. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine earning money just by chatting. Seriously, it's that simple with BabelAudio. This platform actually pays you to have real conversations, helping to train the next generation of audio AI. And yes, it's totally legit. People really are getting paid to record voice prompts and have chats in different languages. Here's how it works. Sign up on BabelAudio and you'll take a short 5-minute onboarding quiz, plus a quick audio test to show off your language skills. Then, just wait up to a week for them to get back to you. The best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a pro voice actor, a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who loves to talk, this is for you. Night owls, early birds, it doesn't matter. You set your own hours and work as little or as much as you want. Now let's talk money. The pay rate depends on the project, but on the higher paying gigs, you can earn up to $35 per recorded hour. And getting paid is super easy. They offer PayPal and bank transfer options. So what do you think? Would you give BabelAudio a try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to boost your income. See you in the next one.